Nandito kami sa school ni Mr. Ito ang school ng mga bata. It's good, I vlog?
No, stay here.
It's good, I vlog, hindi? Ito ang school ng mga bata. Walang pasok na. Vacation na siya. Ito ang friend section. Doon naman ang English. Maya mag-ano. Hi guys, andito na kami sa bahay. Kaso wala si Mr. May bibili ata ng sasakyan. May bibili ng sasakyan. Kanina din may dumaan, tinanong kung ano, sabi ko yung number, tawagan nyo na lang, number kasi ni Mr. yung palagay. Ayan, dito sila guys. Sana bibilhin na nila. Ayan, si mama naman kasi andito, wala si Mr. Ay! Wala. Well, no. Hi guys. Yan, umalis na yung titingin sa sasakyan. And wala si Mr. Yun pala, kausap niya sa phone. Yung ano, yung mga pumunta kanina dito. Anyway, diba galing kami sa church, ay sa church, ano ba yan? Galing kami sa school. Close na dito kasi mga moy ang galing kami sa school guys, and then yun na nga, nagbayad kami ng mga utang namin ba para last year, yung payments namin, last payment, thank God nabayaran na namin. Next yung registration ng mga bata, so tapos na namin yun. And yun, nagtanong kami sa principal kung ano yung kailangan if ever talaga ng ilipat namin ang mga bata, mag-transfer sila sa Pilipinas, ganyan. Tinanong lang namin guys ha. Kasi maraming sinabi guys na gagawin namin. And yun, nag-usap kami ni Mr. na pag-usapan namin mabuti kung doon sila mag-aaral, paano ang lahat, ganyan. So, hindi pa namin nakapag-decision, hindi pa kami nakapa-register kasi nga hindi pa namin alam kung ngayong taon kami mag-move sa Pilipinas, ganyan. Kasi usually kapag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, June, after ng school ng mga bata. Ngayon sa September ang pasukan nila, so marami kaming gagawin na i-process kasi hindi naman basta-basta na iuwi na lang kami tapos yung kailangan ng mga papers ganun sa school. So hindi pa ako naka-decision, pag-usapan muna namin ni Mr. kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin, kung ngayong taon namin sila ilipat sa Philippines or dito sila mag-aral, ganyan. Hindi. So, litong-lito rin si Mr. Kaya sabi ko na if ever man sabi ko na uuwi kami, hindi sila mag-aaral doon kasi mahirapan ang mga bata, sabi ko. So, yun, hindi siya umiimik. Kasi nga, 'di ba, plano namin na mag kami doon for good. Plano ng asawa ko. Ano na nga yung paunahin niya akong umuwi. Ewan ko. Hindi rin umiimik kanina eh. Nung sabi ko na ano guys, na mahirap i-transfer ang mga bata, mahirapan sila, sabi ko. Hindi siya umiimik. Nagluluto pala ako guys. Nagluto ako ng ginisang sitaw. And then ito yung full, ewan ko sa English ito, fava beans ba? I-correct nyo nga ako. Lalagyan ito ng kamon, lemon, alam nyo, salt, and olive oil. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng garlic, fresh garlic. Ayan. Ganito siya guys, o full ang tawag nila. Fava beans ata ito sa English. Yan o. Tapos ito, harvest ako ng, alam nyo, sitaw. Igisa ko lang siya. Lagyan ko ng manghang. Yan. Init so full. Dito na si Mister. Dito, Mister din. Nakit ko. Mister, no. Hindi si Champion. Dito?
Save some for me. I can make. Mommy, be careful. I don't want to burn. Hey, that's close. Ouch. Okay, Bess. Just
Cheyenne, pipad, mama.
Mommy, Bess.
Hi, Dada. So,
Hey, Bess, Mommy, heck, I was falling.
yeah, give me a plate.
Ah, Mommy.
Yeah, let's take
Yes.
it.
Ow. I burned myself. I got burned. No.
You need to stay, mama. Kita, put more hamod. Hamod. Maasim ang gusto niya.
Come on.
Guys, kain po tayo. Ayan. Let's eat guys. Kain po. Kumakain na kami.
صنايع مثل ضرابة صمت في هيك هول قاعدين بالبربينيو يعني
Ito na yung niluto ko. Anghang siya.
هاو مش عم بحكيك انا بدي مصاري هذا
وبعدين شو صار؟
اذا عندي التليفون بيطلع فوتي فيديو كمان نزلت بوابه انا عندي حالة مو كانوا ناطر شاب شو على اليمين قلت له مارك
Hi guys, andito ako sa baba ng church kasi kinuha namin tong, alam, may mangga guys, o tignan nyo, mangga. Daming mangga, oh. Kita nyo? Andito ako, kinuha ko yung video, ang tawag ito, DVD ba ito? Ng communion ni Kian, mapapanood namin ng buo. Tapos yung certificate niya na nag first communion siya. Mm. Yan yung name niya. Yung araw. Tapos yun, ito ho. Pinito ko.
The bed that went down from the sky.
Ito na yung DVD ni Kian.
So first communion, Kiyan Johnny Khalil, 19, May 19, 20.
Saan kami dito? Bibili kami ng pagkain ng dalawa. Si Queen and Sky. Okay. Ayan, nakabili na kami ng food ng mga aso. Ito siya. Hi guys, andito kami
Mommy, how about Quinn?
No. Dito kami sa gilid ng daan, may nakita kaming puno. Ano kaya ito? May bunga siya, oh, circle. Hindi naman apricot yan.
What's Quinn doing? Mommy, hit
Ayane, you said I showed it to you. Said it's because of period.
I think you should not scratch the baby.
Oh,
Don't scratch.
I don't know. Like, don't hurt me.
meow.
Eee, this flower, I want it.
Ito yung ano, wild flower tea, mama.
Jeez, Mom.
Yane,
Tea, they said you can drink if you have pain in your tummy.
I'm not gonna drink it.
No, but I'm just telling them.
Wow.
Also, this one, the pink one.
Give me.
Flower, ito yung tinatawag nilang warde tea.
Someone hold Quinn.
Oh, yung flowers.
Someone hold
Mga flowers ba? Yan, pag halu-haluin, i-dry nila ito tapos gawin nilang tea. Yun.
I'll get one.
Okay.
They look old.
That pink.
I'm Moana.
Moana. Naka-jacket.
I'm
Put-putot.
How does it look like?
Moana. I can't get it.
Hello.
You, the dog inside.
Why it's like a strong
Yan,
stem.
yan, let's go na walk.
Mommy, it's a strong stem for fingers.
Okay.
It's kind of smooth as well.
Mm. Be careful, kids, eh?
That's the dog inside of the car. That's a well-trained dog. Ash.
Yes.
Ah.
Shoo, habibi.
Soon.
Come.
Like this and soon. So.
Ayan. Be careful. Maglakad-lakad tayo ba? Dito sa lugar namin. Hello guys, andito kami. Napadpad. Tignan nyo ito. Ito yung sinasabi kong nung naalala nyo yung nanguha ako ng fern. Boston fern ata ito. Ayan, dito ko siya kinuha. Na tumubo lang siya. Dito ko kinuha guys.
Ayan.
Ayun. Dito na kami. Kaso si Queen ugali niya dapat siyang mauna kasi parang protektahan niya kami. Napakatalinong aso ba? Ayaw niya nang papahuli.
Moana is where I saw.
Hay the munisipyo, habibi.
I saw it here. We were there. We had a riddle to do.
Okay.
And then up,
That's-
you go up, there's the coffee center.
No, wait. No, Us. No, mapka. Takot
There's
sila.
a sky down there.
No, I don't know.
Right there.
Wow.
Shotgun?
This is the place you're talking?
Look up, Hannah.
Ah.
There's a church there also.
Oh, that's the grave.
Ah.
Mennonite church.
That's the
Catholic Mennonite church.
Catholic. Catholic Church.
Then we went up there. Honey, there's restaurants. Hannah, we restaurant here.
Restaurant pala yan. Yes. Where is the park?
Here. Not far. Bridge.
This is what you're talking? Oh.
Not far.
What?
I don't know what's this.
Anong meron dito? We stay here for a while.
The bridge is here.
Wow. UNESCO. Cities for People Prize. UNESCO. Don't make a kahir. Now we go to the bridge. Queen, wait mo. Okay. Okay. It's good. It's okay. We can come here. We can take.
You were sitting here, but I don't know what happened to it.
We water here.
Can we touch it?
Yes, okay.
No, like touch this stuff.
Very supportive si Queen. Give her apple, Mama.
Where's the island?
Inside, in Tupperware first. We put it. Wait, Sky. Queen.
Okay, I need someone.
No, don't climb. Maybe you will break the stone. Give her in Tupperware.
Stone is weak.
Give her apple.
Oh, look. That's the last time we have in class.
Really?
Okay, I'll come here.
Look. Kainin mo yan, no. Talaga, tignan po. Mama, be careful ta, hayta. Don't in up. Wait, Queen. Mama, no. Yes, they are okay. Takot si Queen, oh.
Hold Queen.
Yes, don't worry.
Okay, 3, 2,
Ah.
go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Queen.
Yala, sit next to
Sit.
Yala, sit, Queen.
Hey, look. All of them had Queen in. Oh my God, I have fears. I have fears now.
Takot si Kia.
I have fears.
Don't be scared.
Out.
You don't want this?
No, Balawas, I have fears.
Yala, here only in this side. No, don't look down. Takot si Kia.
Why are you looking down?
Hi
I
guys.
need protection. They need more protection for kids.
Don't worry. Just don't look down.
This is made out of wood. Look, on.
No, Mama, it's safe, Habibi. Don't worry, Habibi. Don't
So
be
we can
scared.
cross this, Yana?
But don't go in the middle.
I'm going to have nightmares now being here. Being down here. Mommy, you can come here.
Be careful sa'yo na. Takot si Kia. Hold look in the camera.
Okay.
Be careful, ha?
I'll get near the bridge. As you guys can see, I am very scared of now bridges. I'm scared this can collapse in my dreams.
Be careful the camera. Don't be scared. Dito na kami guys. Oh. Wow, ganda din pala dito. No? Ayan, doon kami galing sa baba.
Oh!
Katakot lang kasi nagmumove tong ano. Si Queen talaga very protective kay Cheyenne. Sure, sure.
Get me down!
It's close, Mama. Ta.
There's something for me.
It's forbidden, I think, huh? Who's that shouting? Is somebody shouting? Fee, come in, Honik, ate. Look, there, Fee up. We can't go there. Balahon, in the cement. Takwin, take your bag. Maybe somebody will...
Take the bag.
Yeah, like the apple. Put the bag inside. Be careful. Yeah, we go up. Maybe we can sit there. Yes.
And I need to face my feet. Like a bridge now.
Yeah, hold Queen.
No.
That's it.
Can I hold the camera?
You hold the bag.
Up.
Look at that. Hello, go. Be careful the camera.
I have to look in the camera and I have to look down if I'm going to trip.
I will hold you.
Mommy, what is this abandoned place?
Oh, now we treasure here.
Wait, isn't this the spinning thingy?
Yes.
They call this the spinning thingy, but I do not. They call this a spinny thingy, but I don't know what they call.
Saan kami napadpad, oh?
But I feel this is
Maybe
a part.
there's treasure here, enchanted.
Let's climb. We can climb.
Oh, they threw a balloon.
Maheda, you can see. There's a party on it.
A ball. Those are balloons. Look, balloons.
Yes. Look at it. Very nice. Turn. Look at me.
Ate, are these your roommates doing this?
Queen, ta. Queen.
Door is open.
Queen, come, mama. Ta.
If the door is open, I'm leaving. If the door is open, I'm leaving. Look, staplers
Where?
over there.
Dito.
Could be so haunted.
Ate, I will swear to God, if you open that.
Cool inside. Huh? It's cool.
Ooh.
There's like ladders.
Come.
Fast, leave,
So haunted.
leave. Ate, why did you have to bring us here?
You asked for it.
Me? I asked for it.
You know where's the park?
Mommy
I
asked
don't
for
know. You know?
No. I think it's the other way, right in the middle of the...
May umuusok yung sasakyan niya. Oh, haram.
Kian, be careful. Oh, Kian, can you take the picture?
Next to the haunted scene.
Go down.
I think his head overheated. The engine. That's
Wait,
why-
Queen.
That is why you need to put pressure on your engine. That's why. So you put it.
Go down, Kian.
Hello. Na kahit pa paano maidsan yung...
A lot of nightmares.
Ano ba?
I have a lot of nightmares.
Dito kapag sa bahay ka.
Mommy, I remember we went up. The kids playing here.
Really? But where is the entrance?
I don't know, it's 59.
Andito na kami kung saan kami napadpad. Nag-explore kami ng mga bata. Aray ko.
It's closed.
Oh, it's close. It's close, guys.
1 second.
Wait, can I fit here? Can I fit here?
No, it's close.
No. I can almost fit here. But
Kaya don't go.
I can
We cannot catch
I
you.
can almost fit here for my
Pero ito
swimming.
park, oh. Public park, pero close siya. Bakit nagka-close?
Then like Sunday.
Dapat they don't next Monday. Are you sure it's open yan eh?
I cannot get through because my head is too big.
I want to go on the swing.
They should open.
Yeah, John. I want to...
We are not. Okay, sorry. Ah,
I thought I stepped on poop.
I see.
Yay!
Hello.
Oh no, Muffy poop. Muffy poop.
Nag-uusap sila.
Yeah, they're communicating or fighting.
Yeah, they are all talking.
Mommy,
Yes,
I'm tired. Does it the S word mean poop?
yes.
Eh.
Here, what is
And
here?
it's not a bad word.
There's all the way up is cafe.
Ah, you went here?
Yeah.
Ah, really?
we had it.
Where is the church, Mama? You're telling me.
I saw a sign of the church.
It's not church, Haida. We go Shuai up?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want water.
Yeah.